Hey guys, so every time I start seeds, I use the same exact process and way of doing it and the order in which I do it. It's always the same and it gives me very predictable, reliable results. So today I wanted to just show you a quick video of how I took that seed starting kit that I reviewed. It's been a couple weeks ago now. I reviewed that seed starting kit, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I seed that, what products I use, what the method is, so I can just do this sort of without even thinking about it anymore and know that all of my seeds will be started the same way with the same process and they'll have a great chance for success. So that's what I'm showing you in this video. As always, I know you could be anywhere and you chose to be here, and I really appreciate it. Here are our trays. This is our vermiculite we're going to use. And here are some of our seeds. Hi, Kelly. How you doing? Okay. You can see how I always put all of my seeds in every cell before I cover any of the cells, and that's just so that I don't forget. If I have to stop and start, this way I don't forget where I ended off or stopped. So otherwise, if you don't mark it, or if you don't leave them uncovered, then you'll either not seed something that you could have seeded, or you will double seed something and you'll put two different varieties in the same cell, and you won't, if it's the same type of plant like tomato or whatever, you won't be able to tell which is which. So this always serves me well. I label everything with my label, then I go in and seed everything, and now I'm going to cover it all. This is the Levitation seedling mix from Dirtcraft Organics. It's the best. I don't sift mine. You could. There are some little sticks, little small ones, but I don't find that it's much of an issue. So I'm not going to win any awards here, but I'm kind of in a hurry, so I'm just... done is better than perfect, right? So here we go. Now I'm going to cover this. Now usually I don't have much trouble with algae on top of these cells when I'm growing tomatoes because they come up pretty quickly. But just in case, I will put some vermiculite on top. Okay. Let's clean this up a little bit. Just making sure that the seeds have contact with the soil so they can start putting out roots faster. Okay, and now I'm going to use this vermiculite. I'm just going to sprinkle a little on top. Okay, this vermiculite is very handy, especially when you are sowing seeds that technically don't need to be covered because they do need access to light. You can leave the seeds uncovered, but then just put a light sprinkling of vermiculite on top, and that will help keep the seeds in place, keep the water from washing them away, and it would just allow the seeds a really good medium to grow in without being fully exposed, because when the seeds are fully exposed and not covered, they can blow away or just, move in ways that you don't want. So the vermiculite helps to keep that, keep them in place. So here they are, they're ready. I'm just going to water these. I will probably bottom water them, and then just a combination of bottom watering and top watering.